Today we are taking more examples on general processes, structures, and functions. Example 1. The correct equation for anaerobic breaking down of sugar is, take note, anaerobic breaking down of sugar is A, C6H12O6 broken down to 2 molecules of C2H5OH plus 2 CO2. B, 6 molecules of CO2 plus 6 molecules of H2O to give a molecule of C6H12O6 plus 6 molecules of oxygen, O2. C, a molecule of C6H12O6 plus 6 O2 to give 6 molecules of CO2 and 6 molecules of water plus ATP. D, C6H2O6 broken down to give 2 molecules of C2H5OH plus 2 molecules of CO2 plus ATP. So the question is on anaerobic process, which is a process without oxygen. Here, breaking down means they're talking about respiration, breaking down of sugar, anaerobic respiration. So number B is out of it because B is the equation of photosynthesis. C is out of it because C is aerobic respiration. Oxygen is used to break down the sugar. So we are left with A and C. And if you look at it very well, they are similar. A child that is not careful to read through will choose A. What is the difference between A and D? A successfully show how the sugar is broken down into alcohol and giving out 2 molecules of carbon dioxide. But it didn't go further to tell us that energy is produced. But D is able to tell us that energy is produced in form of ATP. So answer is D. Number 2, the oxidative part of respiratory process takes place in the A, mitochondria, B, ribosome, C, Golgi body, D, nucleus. We know that mitochondria is regarded as the powerhouse of the cell because it is a place where respiration takes place, oxidative respiration. So answer to number 2 is A, because B, ribosome, is to synthesize sugar, Golgi body is to package synthesized material in the cell and transport them. Nucleus controls the whole activities of the cell. So answer is A. Number 3, etiolation is caused by influence of A, light, B, mineral salt, C, water, and D, oxygen. Now, etiolation is when a leaf changes color from green to pink, yellow, or any color. So etiolation is caused by influence of light. Answer is A. Number 4, physiological adaptation to very dry condition in animal is called A, xeromorphism, B, rejuvenation, C, hibernation, and D, estivation. Now, xeromorphism is having body for desert or dry area. B, rejuvenation, is to become reproductive again or to become young again. Then C, hibernation. This is a physiological adaptation to cold weather. Then D, estivation is physiological adaptation to dry condition. So answer is D. Number 5. In living cells, insufficient oxygen may cause a breakdown of glucose into A, glycogen, B, lactic acid, C, carbonic oxide, and D, glycerol. Now, this question obviously is talking about animal cells, because alternative given for the anaerobic breaking down of glucose is occur only in animal cells. So it will be broken down to lactic acid. So answer is B.